I've gotten a little obsessed with this project. I am now taking out the subframe because I don't like how much rust is everywhere. I was painting the bay, and as I was painting the bay, I got to the subframe, the front subframe, and I didn't like the way that the paint was going on it. There's still some rust bubbles and stuff, even after taking this guy for a long time. As you can kind of see, if you hop up in here, I've got I was starting to get painted, and then I was like, oh, there's a bunch of rusty bubbles, and I need to go through and do that. And I just got to the point where I was like, dude, I'm gonna take it all out. I'm gonna take it all out, make it look super nice, even the steering rack and everything. And so I'm a little obsessed. We're gonna continue to dive into this today and make it pretty. How much torque did this one have, babe?
1100?
That's good. That's the subframe stud. The front cross member is actually super simple on this car. I can get all the grime off of it. So by the way, these bolts in here, they're not coming out. Oh. I wonder how much these are online. It might actually just be worth it to buy a new one. What? So this just gets more and more fun every day that I get into this car. Dude, this front cross member, I gotta show you guys this. I'm trying to get this bolt out, this eccentric bolt for alignment, and it is welded. It has welded itself inside of the bushing, and the bolt and bushing are now bending and completely warping my cross member. So this cross member is trash, unfortunately. Oh my goodness, like that's crazy. That's crazy. So I'm gonna buy a new one. I gotta figure out some way to get these slower control arms out. I gotta redo those. That's nuts, bro. I've never seen that in my life. So check this out. Couldn't get the bolt out because it was literally welded. It welded itself to the metal part of the bushing on the inside of. So I'm doing a dual caliper setup on the car. I look crazy. I think, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:58 p.m.
I've been here since 9 a.m. My back hurts and I'm crazy. I look crazy, I am crazy. This car has made me crazy, but I am amped to do this. One of the things that's next on this car is making it a super dailyable, like I wanna make the perfect daily drift car that's also fun and fast. Because I love JZs. I've had fast JZs. I love the way they feel, they drive, they sound, everything about them. Plus I just know how to work on them. I don't freaking know anything about these stupid BMWs. I love JZs. So this car I want to be the ultimate drift daily. And that's why we decided to go with Willwoods. Usually I will do a secondary set of factory OEM calipers, but honestly the IS300 rears are so bad, you might as well just get the Willwoods single pistons. We got the Willwoods, some aggressive pads, and then we also got LS400 front brakes. Now we're gonna be working with a new brake company, which I'm pretty excited about. But not only that, I've also taken the whole car apart. So I got a whole dual caliper setup, a billet bracket, and I've got to figure out how to attach the bracket because this car is so rusty, the stud is seized inside of the knuckle. So that's cool. car is going to cause me agony, but it's gonna be good. So here, this is kind of cool. I just got these off eBay. Super simple racket. Ow! It bolts on like this, okay? That's how it's gonna be. Now, as you also saw in that last, or one of those clips, I was cleaning up the pins for these goofy little rear calipers, these stock little rear calipers. They're so funny, dude. Look at these little big brake pads. They're so funny, bro. Oh my God, look at those. Look at the back brakes. Oh my God, that's terrible. That's so bad. Well, I'm glad I'm doing that. I'm gonna be painting these. It's always been my favorite accent color, but it's gonna be my new accent color for all the things. I'm gonna paint these chartreuse, and the fronts as well are going to be chartreuse. I'm actually working with Alpha Pigments to make my very own signature paint color. It's gonna be Evan Shanks blank. I'm gonna tell you what color it is. Rhymes with purple. That's not gonna make any sense. I don't know. We're on something really cool. Look at all this. This is funny. I mean, not really that funny because I gotta fix it, but all of this Bondo for what? Somebody just freaking crunch it? Yeah, it looks like they just kind of goofed it. Got a little goofy over here. Dude, I'll sand all this down and get it back down to metal, but dude. So yeah, guys, I've become a bit obsessed with this car. Every bushing, every piece has gotten fixed. Obviously, you guys can see that I got the JZ in, that in next video, but I went through, I patched a bunch of holes, fixed all of the rust, I finalized all of that, and then I coated the entire underside with an undercoating. I even got a new rocker panel, which I'm about to replace, but the car is now repainted and it's absolutely insane. This car is gonna be wild, and I'm super excited for you guys to see it and enjoy it. Coming up, we obviously, like I had mentioned, we have the paint video. As you guys have seen, I've got a big thing in my garage, and we'll finalize this. I'm about to start painting this. IS is cool. Gotten obsessed with it. I wanna make the coolest coolest daily ever, and that's the goal with it. My advice for you is find something to be grateful about today, be thankful about, because there's always stuff that you can look at in life that you can be anxious about, or you can be ungrateful for, or not even that you're ungrateful for it, but there's a lot of things in life that can distract us when you are not focused on the good things that are presently happening. So I want to encourage you all, find some things to be thankful about, write them down, even if you have to. Just know everything's gonna be all right. Be grateful for everything going on in your life today. That's my advice for you. Y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.